Hello everyone, welcome to Bedazzle. Today we are going to discuss how to optimize the Etsy listing. So let's get started. Let's move on to the screen. Here, the first thing first, I will write down here. Also, you have the keywords, right? You have already extracted down keywords from eRank. I have already told in my previous lessons how you can extract the keywords. Now, using that keywords, we have to optimize the listing. So first thing first, you have to include those keywords in your title, okay? Like include keywords in your title. Now the first thing first, the keywords that are most important, like in my case, what I am doing, I'm selling daggers, knives, Damascus steel knives and all other things. I made them myself. So to first, like, I have the keyword of Roman dagger. Okay, Roman dagger. Now I will go with Roman daggers. What I did there is that is my most important keyword. Okay, so the most important keywords should be put first in the title, and after that we have to put the other keywords like priority wise. Now this keyword is my priority. I have chosen this keyword now, so that's why I have written it in the first place. And now the next one is handmade Damascus knife. So this is my next keyword, and I will add something more and major. Okay, I'm sorry that it was Damascus knife, and here is handmade Roman dagger, Damascus knife, and it is also there's one more keyword. Let me see, hunting dagger. Okay, and the next one is Damascus. It's made of Damascus, and it is go shirts. Wrong. Okay. So what I did there is I put the most important keyword in the first place, and after that I put the keywords that are in the second priority and the third priority, and after that the 14th priority. Now you must include these keywords in your description also. Like, I will copy here, I will go here and I'll paste it. So now the next thing comes the description, and buyers usually expect that there will be specifications of the product in the description. So you must have to add the product specifications, like how much long is your product, what are the dimensions of the product, what is the weight of the product, or any other thing which buyer is expecting of your product. Like if I'm going to say this mouse, so what are the specifications, what are the features of this mouse, what this mouse do, how much long its cable is, and all other that. Okay, so like if I'm going to sell any other thing, like I'm going to sell sugar pots, I can tell actually the dimensions of that product, how it's made, what material is used to make this product, and all that specifications. So you must add those specifications in the description. But for the keywords that we have already chosen, we must include those keywords, but make sure don't use it too many times. Okay, so if you will use that keyword too many times, it will lead to keyword stuffing, and that will have the negative impact on your listing. So don't use the same keyword too many times. Now in the description you have to write the specifications, and you also have to use the keywords also, like it's Roman dagger handmade. I'm sorry, I just handmade Roman dagger, red gold inches long blade. All right, now the weight of the product is like I will say 2 kgs, let's say. Okay, so you have to write all the specifications and you have to include your keywords in the description. And the third, and this is most important, if you don't do it, please start doing it, and that is, let me show you. Okay, the tags. Now you have to include all the keywords that you have extracted out from the e-rank. You have write them. So e-rank, make sure add all those keywords exactly in the tags, like handmade Roman dagger. Now that must be between 1 to 20 characters. So I have to either remove the handmade part or I have to remove the Roman part. So what I will do is I will handmade dagger, Roman dagger, so you must have to include all the tags. So I've already added 13 tags. You must have to do and add all the 13 tags. That's very good. If you can find the keywords, at best you must have to include all the tags, and make sure the keywords that you have extracted out must be included exactly in the tags. Okay, so this is how you optimize a listing, by adding the keywords into this tag section, in the description and in the title, in a way that I told you. Use it in that way and see the magic. So that's all for today. Thank you very much for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video and share it with your friends. Thank you.